or welcome back to my channel. The weekly vlogs are back thanks to you guys. You guys have been commenting me that you miss watching my weekly vlogs or just vlogs in general. So I'm back here to give you exactly what you want. So technically a week in my life nahi hone wala. It's just gonna be 4 days in my life. So let me explain. Last night I came back from Ooty and oh my god, what a nice 2-day getaway that Aditya and I have had. Basically it was like a work trip wherein there was a property that had invited us and we were going to experience it and it was such a fab experience. Mini vlog आपने already देख लिया होगा ये channel पे, proper vlog नहीं किया है मैंने, but basically I have 4 more days until I leave for my next trip and I am so pumped about this trip. A little bit of a spoiler is that I'm going with my friends, my best friends. The last trip that we all had was probably Goa. Technically last year Rishikesh when we got married, if that's considered a trip, but proper वाला गोवा ही था and अब फिर से एक होने वाला है. I'm very excited but I'm also very nervous about like how it's gonna go, like smoothly होगा, सब हो जाएगा या नहीं हो जाएगा, because बहुत ही awaited trip है ये. But anyway, मेरे पास 4 दिन है and ये 4 दिन बहुत productive होने वाले हैं. मैं usually vlog नहीं करती हूँ ये सोच के कि मेरी life बहुत ही basic and like same routine वाली है. Like every day I basically do like the same thing. I shoot videos, I look at the edited videos, there's a lot of back end work that happens. So ऐसा कुछ vlog करने के लिए होता नहीं है. But आगे के 4 दिन बहुत फन होने वाले हैं because there's so much happening. As you can tell, आज का दिन almost खत्म होने आया है. 5 बज चुके, sun set हो रहा है अभी, which means that it's time for my coffee. So I need to have some coffee and then I also need to unpack my bags. So let's do that really quickly. So the working day has almost come to an end, but I have a very exciting parcel that's come in. So basically we have some new samples for our new brushes that we're going to be launching for Simba Lifestyle. So if you don't already know, we have a website called www.simbalifestyle.com wherein we sell a bunch of stationery and also makeup brushes. And I can actually really proudly say that our makeup brushes are one of the best in the market at an affordable price and they're very cute as well. So right now we have the 8 brush set which is very affordable. It's for 799 rupees. And then we have this super cute pink set, 15 brush set hai ye for 1499. So essentially it's 100 rupees per brush. But I have a new idea. So basically मुझे एक और brush set launch करना है in a really cool color. Literally cool toned है ये color. So basically ये साल का color is Mocha Mousse, right? So I thought why not launch brushes in the Mocha Mousse shade. They're not gonna be looking like this at all. It's gonna be really cool, but this is just for the sample of the color. So एक होता है bristles, decide करने होते हैं कि क्या type के bristles चाहिए, and then the handle. I really like this cool tone brown shade. Anyway, so basically in the past मैंने कभी भी कोई product दिखाया नहीं है until it's like 100% ready because I am like scared. मुझे ऐसे नजर का बहुत होता है. But इस time around I want you guys, my community, to help me pick an integral part of the new launch. So basically जो actual brush tips है वो already decided है, जो wooden handle का color है वो भी decided है, but ये जो ferrule होता है, ये जो metal वाला part होता है, उसका color I want you guys to vote on. So basically we have a silver option, we have the classic gold which is my favorite. We've always had golden handles, my personal favorite, and then we have like a golden bronze but in matte. So now you comment down below which is the one that you want for our new launch. Okay, so I am back home from the doctor. I have to get this injection on my bum every week. Every week. ऐसा कुछ सीरियस नहीं है, विटामिन डी और B12 का है. So I'm done. Today was my last shot. I had to get it done 5 times. So like 5 weeks चला ये. I'm not scared of needles, so it was chill for me. But I can actually really tell a difference in like my energy levels. So yeah. Anyway, I'm done with that. I know you guys will ask where this outfit is from. It's gonna be right here, the username. It's from this Instagram page. Okay, so now the plan is to honestly chill. Thoda sa mujhe self-care karna hai. So maybe I'll share all of my like favorite skincare products that I've been loving with you guys. But I'm alone tonight because it's Aditya's day out with the boys. I think they're नीचे studio में ही है वो लोग. I don't think वो लोग कहीं बाहर जाने वाले हैं. But I'm all by myself, which I love. So I'm just gonna be chilling by myself, actually, with you guys. Actually, this situation has been driving me insane. The mess. I'm gonna clean this up. So this is the before and the after. I always have a bowl full of rubber bands and pins and then something to put my jewelry in. Toners, moisturizers and serums, and then makeup remover. Pampering stuff, so like face mask, sheet mask, fragrances, body lotions, hair stuff, and then random stuff. And that is my definition of relaxing. I just spent 30 minutes organizing and cleaning, and I really do feel relaxed. Okay, so I'm back from my shower. It's time for my current favorites, I guess. I have to start off with this face mask right here. You guys know that I'm a big fan of face masks in general, but this is my number one since years. Literally, I've been using this for so long, and this is just amazing. My skin really needed that pick me up. Feels good. So toners ke liye, honestly, I cannot pick amongst these. Everyone serves like a different purpose. I love them all. This is the eye cream that I have been using. I've used so many lip balms, but iske jaisa aur koi nahi hai. For some reason, I've been having really dry lips. It's not like I'm not drinking water. I think it's the pollution or it's something. But like this has saved my lips. Last thing that we have is not actually skincare, but it is a favorite. This flosser. If you feel like you have clean teeth, try again. My teeth have never felt cleaner. थोड़ा सा expensive है ये, but I have had this for like 2 years at least, and it's still going strong. I love it. Hello, good morning. It's the next day, another Indian outfit. I am not wearing Indian outfits because I have gotten married. I've always had this dream of having like a beautiful cotton sets, cotton kurtas ka collection that I can wear like on an everyday basis, and these are just so comfortable for like every day. So right now I have a decent collection. So this is what I basically wear every single day, especially now that the summers are coming. This is like the best thing ever. Don't worry, description box में मैं details छोड़ दूंगी कि मेरा कौन सा outfit कहाँ से है, because that is like my most asked question. But today honestly same thing. I have to go shoot, I have to review a few edits, वो सब same ही रहेगा. But I thought that this morning I'll take you through through like my morning routine of like things that I eat in the morning, because it's kind of, I don't want to say intense, but there are a lot of steps. So yeah, let me show you everything that I eat in the morning. Hello, so I am back home and I'm really tired. It was a long shoot day. So if you don't know, I have been posting a short every single day since the beginning of 2025. And in fact, even on Mridul and Aditya, we have been posting one short every single day since 1st of January. I really enjoyed, but obviously it's a lot of work. And since we're going to be gone in like 2 days, I wanted to get all the shots sorted till we're back, so that when we're on the trip, we don't have to worry about it. So thankfully that is done today. I came home and quickly had my dinner. Hamara dinner is the same every single night. Soup and salad. Obviously क्या type का soup और क्या type का salad वो change होते रहता है. But I was so hungry, I came and I ate it already. Now, The plan actually is, I don't know if we're gonna fall through. We will. Is that tomorrow is the India का final. So that's very exciting. कल का पूरा दिन हम chill करने वाले हैं. Sunday भी है कल. But we've decided that we want to bake a cake just for fun because everyone's coming over. We're going to be watching the match घर पे and not going to Pop Tates. We always go to Pop Tates, but this time we decided कि घर पे ही करते हैं. And Aditya's really good at baking, so I was like, let's do it. And anyway, Aditya and I have been talking about how we want to start baking together. We've done a little bit of it this year, but yeah, I think tonight's the perfect time to like do more of it. सब boring काम मुझे दे देता है शाना एक नंबर का. We should also try to figure out how to make a healthier version of this eventually. Am I a sous chef? Sous baker? 3 hours later, this is a little sample piece for trying. Please do the honors. Was it worth all the time? Oh, and by the way, ये blue is for like Team India, not like gender reveal type cake.
So the cake is good. थोड़ा सा dry है comparatively. but ठीक है. Buttercream, I think नया रेसिपी देख के बना है तो थोड़ा बटर का टेस्ट ज्यादा है, बट ओवरऑल टेस्ट नाइस. दोनों साथ में बहुत मस्त लग रहे हैं.
We'll link down the recipes.
Yeah.
Obviously, they're not like our recipes.
Yeah, we followed a different recipe, that's why. But I think it's nice. I'll give this like a 8.5, 9 on 10.
I'm excited to see what everyone has to say tomorrow. So it's the next day and today actually is a Sunday. So मैंने मेरे सारे Sunday rituals कर दिए हैं. Hair में oil done. राजमा चावल done. I also ended up getting my nails done. So basically इस बार I've gone for like a French tip moment. I only get 3 things done on repeat. Either it's like nude nails, French tips, which I love, या फिर I'll do like plain white. Those are 3 things that I love and I really don't want to experiment on anymore honestly. But anyway, आई एम रनिंग सुपर लेट. मैं इतना चिल करके बैल्कनी में बैठी हूँ बट मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है चिल करने का बिकॉज अराउंड 15 to 17 ऑल्सो पॉसिबली लोग आने वाले हैं घर पे. राइट नाउ आई एम एट माई मॉम एंड डैड्स हाउस बिकॉज दे जस्ट लैंडेड दिस मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रिया, सो जस्ट केम टू सी देम एंड ऑल्सो ईट द राजमा चावल. आई नो यू गाइज विल आस्क वेयर इज आई बाबा, Aditya's mom and dad. So basically the thing is that our parents are the OG travel influencers in general. Our parents, all 4 of our parents love traveling and they're always traveling. So even I and Baba are traveling. They're in Dubai right now. So that's that. और क्या बोलना था मुझे, मैं अब जा रही हूँ नहाने. I need to get ready, put on my jersey. Did I mention that today is the day? It's the finals today. Yeah, let's get the party started. I'm the host today. We've decided to have the thing at our home. So थोड़े से preps बाकी है. I think already लोग तो आना शुरू हो गए, but there are friends. So it's chill. ऐसा कुछ बहुत serious नहीं. खुलेगा. ओके, आई एम ऑल रेडी. एक चीज मेरी जो एक टैलेंट है जो मुझे बहुत ही आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई टैलेंट इज दैट आई गेट रेडी सो फास्ट. इन 20 मिनट्स मैंने मेरे बाल धोए, मेकअप किया, चेंज किया, स्टूडियो से सामान लेके आई, ऑल रेडी, एकदम कम्फी OOTD. सो एक्साइटेड फॉर टुडे. You always have one of these in your group. yesterday, as you saw, was just insane. Everything that we were waiting for happened. मुझे पहले से पता था हम जीतने वाले हैं. आदित्य बहुत ही नेगेटिव था. नेगेटिव नहीं था, मतलब वो डर रहा था इसके लिए. He was not sure if we were gonna win, but we did win. And it was amazing. What a great Sunday. What a great, honestly, highlight to the year. Today, I was really hoping to vlog because today is like my last day in Mumbai before we leave for our trip. So मैंने starting में बोला था कि हम हमारे friends के साथ trip पे जाने वाले हैं और मैंने बताया भी नहीं था कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं. So basically, we are going to Dharamshala and Manali. And the really funny part about this trip is I was really worried about it not happening because there were so many obstacles and things that were happening. And this exact thing has happened to us in 2021. So all of us wanted to go on a trip to Manali, booked all the flights, booked everything, and then COVID का एक wave आया था, so we had to cancel everything. A lot of money was wasted during that time, but obviously we did what was best at that time. So तब से हमारी trip pending है, so it's finally happening. I have been so excited about this trip, as you guys know. But right now, I am just so tired. आज का पूरा दिन, usually भी in general जब भी trips होने वाले रहते हैं, उसका एक दिन पहले का इतना hectic होता है because we have to like wrap everything up. सब ब्रांड्स का काम सॉर्ट करना पड़ता है, ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट सॉर्ट करना पड़ता है, पैकिंग करना पड़ता है. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I used to think that I'm such a pro at packing, but every single time I just prove myself wrong because इतना time लगने लग गया मुझे packing करने के लिए, which is, I don't know, I need to like figure it out. Anyway, there were so many things that I wanted to do today, like set up our coffee corner, which we've been meaning to do, but I think अब वो next vlog में करेंगे when I'll vlog again. Let me know what you guys thought about this vlog. I hope it was fun. If you've made it so far to today's video, make sure to leave this emoji down below. These vlogs that I post on my channel are very like centered around me, but if you want like a more wholesome family vlog situation happening, make sure to go and subscribe to Mridul and Aditya because we are going to be vlogging our entire trip, Dharamshala Manali trip, on Mridul and Aditya because I know it's going to be insane. बहुत crazy होने वाला है. Anyway, you guys love watching our friends, so make sure to go subscribe to that channel. That's it. I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.